Imagine if I told you that the root cause of most modern health struggles, from fatigue and weight gain, to joint pain and even autoimmune conditions, can be traced back to just one hidden culprit: chronic inflammation. It might sound surprising, but science shows inflammation silently fuels many of the problems we deal with daily. The good news? There's a natural, evidence-based way to calm that fire inside your body. And it starts with just one powerful cup. Welcome to the Healthy Body. Dr. Alex here. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective natural solutions for reducing inflammation, restoring balance, and helping your body heal itself. A simple yet potent drink you can prepare at home. Before we get started, if you're passionate about improving your health, boosting your energy, and discovering science-backed natural remedies, make sure to subscribe to the Healthy Body. That way, you won't miss out on our weekly videos designed to keep you informed, motivated, and living with vitality. Now, let's explore how this single cup can change the way you feel. Understanding inflammation. To really appreciate the power of this drink, we need to understand what inflammation actually is. Think of inflammation like fire. A small fire in the right place keeps you warm, cooks your food, and protects you from danger. That's healthy inflammation, the body's natural response to injury or infection. But what happens when that fire spreads out of control? When flames burn long after the danger has passed? That's chronic inflammation. And it quietly damages tissues, disrupts hormones, and contributes to conditions like arthritis, thyroid problems, gut issues, diabetes, and even heart disease. Have you ever felt constant fatigue, unexplained body aches, or stomach discomfort that never seems to go away? Those could be signs of underlying inflammation. The key to long-term health isn't just masking symptoms with medications. It's cooling that hidden fire so the body can heal. And that's where this special drink comes in. Ingredient number 1: cinnamon. Let's begin with the first star ingredient: cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a spice for coffee or baking. For thousands of years, cultures across the world have prized it as a healing tonic. Modern research confirms why. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Two key players are cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde. Together, they neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals, which otherwise damage cells and trigger more inflammation. Think of cinnamon as a protective shield, preventing sparks from turning into flames. Cinnamon also improves insulin sensitivity, helping the body manage blood sugar more effectively. That's important because blood sugar spikes are strongly linked with inflammation. On top of that, cinnamon boosts circulation, ensuring nutrients and oxygen flow smoothly throughout the body. Now, not all cinnamon is created equal. For maximum benefit, look for Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon. It contains higher levels of antioxidants compared to the more common cassia variety. Here's a question for you. Have you ever tried swapping your sugar with a dash of cinnamon in your coffee or tea? It's a small change with surprisingly big benefits. Ingredient number 2: cardamom. Next up is cardamom, a spice that often hides in the background of cooking, yet carries powerful healing potential. Cardamom contains flavonoids and antioxidants such as alpha-terpineol, D-limonene, and cineol. These compounds act like fire extinguishers, cooling down inflammation and supporting overall immune health. But what really makes cardamom shine is its effect on the gut. Many people underestimate how important gut health is for inflammation. If your digestive system is out of balance, inflammation often spreads throughout the entire body. Cardamom soothes the digestive tract, supports healthy gut bacteria, and even strengthens the intestinal lining, reducing the chances of leaky gut, which is a common source of systemic inflammation. Think about it. When your gut is calm, your whole body feels calmer. That's why cardamom is such an underrated hero in this drink. Ingredient number 3: turmeric. Now we arrive at turmeric, the golden spice that has been at the center of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories in the world. In fact, research has compared curcumin to medications like ibuprofen. Results show that in high doses, curcumin can provide similar relief, without the long list of side effects pharmaceuticals often bring. Curcumin works by blocking certain pathways in the body that trigger inflammation. Imagine turning down the volume on an overactive alarm system. But there's a challenge. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body on its own. That's why turmeric alone isn't enough. It needs a partner. And that brings us to the next ingredient. Ingredient number 4, black pepper. Enter black pepper. This humble kitchen spice contains a compound called piperine, which dramatically boosts the absorption of curcumin, up to 20 times more. Without black pepper, much of the turmeric you consume simply passes through your digestive system unused. But when paired together, turmeric and black pepper form a powerful duo that allows your body to harness the full anti-inflammatory potential. Have you noticed how many traditional recipes combine these two spices? It's no accident. Ancient wisdom figured this out long before modern science confirmed it. Ingredient number 5, ginger. Now let's talk about ginger, another classic healing spice. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and pyridols, which reduce oxidative stress and calm inflammation throughout the body. Ginger is especially beneficial for joint health and digestive comfort. Studies show it can reduce symptoms of arthritis, nausea, and even menstrual discomfort. Think of ginger as the soother of this recipe. It relaxes the gut, eases stiffness, and adds a warming quality that makes this drink both healing and comforting. Do you use ginger regularly in your meals or teas? If not, this drink might be the easiest way to start. Ingredient number 6, lemon or lime. Next comes lemon or lime if you prefer. Both are rich in vitamin C, one of the most essential vitamins for fighting inflammation. Vitamin C not only reduces inflammation, but also supports collagen production for healthy skin, joints, and connective tissue. It strengthens immunity and helps the body repair itself more efficiently. However, vitamin C works best when combined with other antioxidants, exactly what this recipe provides. The synergy between lemon, turmeric, cinnamon, and cardamom makes the whole drink more powerful than the sum of its parts. Ingredient number 7, green tea. Finally, we need a base, and green tea is the perfect choice. Green tea contains polyphenol, particularly EGCG, a compound with remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies link regular green tea consumption with lower risks of heart disease, better brain function, and even healthier weight management. Here's an insider tip. Loose leaf tea often contains higher concentrations of these beneficial compounds compared to bagged tea. If you have access to loose tea, use it for an even stronger effect. How to make the drink. Now that we've covered the science behind each ingredient, let's put it all together. Start with 2 cups of water in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then turn off the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of loose green tea, or a tea bag if that's what you have. Next, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and just a few black peppercorns. Then, add half an inch of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of dried ginger. Let everything steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain into a cup, then squeeze in half a lemon or add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. For a touch of sweetness, you can add a little raw honey, but keep it natural and minimal. Most importantly, sip this drink slowly over 10 to 15 minutes. Drinking it too quickly can upset the stomach, but sipping allows your gut to absorb the nutrients fully. The best time to enjoy this tea? Early morning or late morning, when your body benefits most from the anti-inflammatory boost. So let's recap what we've covered so far. Inflammation is like an internal fire that drives many health problems. A powerful natural drink can help calm that fire. The key ingredients: cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, black pepper, ginger, lemon, and green tea, each bring unique anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Together, they form a synergistic blend that supports digestion, circulation, immunity, and overall vitality. Have you ever tried a drink like this before? Or do you already use any of these ingredients daily? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to The Healthy Body. We release new content every week to help you age well, boost energy, and improve your health naturally. Expanding with lifestyle applications. Now, you might be wondering, is 1 cup of tea really enough to fix inflammation? The truth is, this drink is a powerful tool, but it works best as part of a bigger lifestyle. Pair it with an anti-inflammatory diet rich in leafy greens, fatty fish, berries, and nuts. Add regular movement, whether it's walking, yoga, or strength training. Prioritize sleep, because poor rest fans the flames of inflammation. And don't forget stress management. Meditation, deep breathing, and social connection are just as important as nutrition. Think of this tea as a daily ritual, a signal to your body that you're choosing healing and balance. If you make this tea consistently, many people notice improvements in just 1 week. Less bloating, less stiffness, and more energy. Over time, the benefits can multiply, supporting long-term health and longevity. So why not give it a try? Brew yourself a cup tomorrow morning, and see how your body responds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join our growing community. That way, you'll stay updated on all our natural health strategies designed to keep you vibrant at any age. And if you're ready to keep learning, I recommend watching our next video where we'll explore the best foods and supplements for protecting your joints and keeping them pain-free as you age. Until next time, take care of your body, and it will take care of you.